Hi and welcome back. Today I'm going to share with you 5 of my favorite things that I purchased for the van. Living full-time in the van for a book tour means that any little thing has the potential to make life simpler, more comfortable, or even safer for a little blind dog. My number 1 favorite thing for the van is actually on the outside. So let's go. This sliding door stopper is about the size of my small finger, but it's enough to stop the door from opening all the way. That's been really important, especially in cold weather. My number 2 favorite thing that I purchased for the van is my overhead baskets. They are very handy for holding things for the dog and for outdoor weather. Also, if something needs to drip dry, I can put a hook on the basket and let it drip over the sink. My number 3 favorite thing is my food storage containers. Being that they are square and small and they interlock on top of each other means that they can fit very nicely into my even very small freezer and my fridge and my drawer for dry goods. My number 4 favorite thing for the van is my headboard. It is made up of 4 tension rods and wall mounts for the rods to stay in place. The reason I like it so much is that it keeps everything on the bed, pillows, cushions, that type of thing, but especially it's important to keep my blind dog from falling over the edge into the large gap between the mattress and the back doors. My number 5 favorite thing that I purchased for the van is my bedside bins. They are from IKEA and they come in 2 different sizes. I use them for storing small clothing items like pajamas, socks, and underwear. I hope you benefit from learning about some of my favorite things in my van. Be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications, and we'll see you again down the road.